Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how to make origami Pico Star 8 points. The designer is Maria Sinaskia. Now the paper requirements is 8 numbers 4 inches by 4 inches twin color papers. Preferred twin color papers are preferred. Now before we start folding this, I want to explain to you certain things. As I have constantly been telling, paper is the most forgiving material because it's very economical also. You can do the folds, you can open the creases, you can redo the creases, and you can still get a almost good model. Second important thing is try to use clean hands while you are folding so that the edges don't get dirty. Creases need to be very sharp so that you get a very nice model. So let's get started, and I am going to show you how to do the basic 8 models first. Take a paper 4x4. Do both the diagonal creases. Now once you have done this diagonal crease, what you will do is this lower point you will crease it out here so that the white portion is out and it covers up on the colored paper. Now turn it around, and now this fold you need to match with this, folding it like this. Get it? Just remember, any which direction you want you can do. Either this can be colored, this can be whatever you want, but it has to be identical. All the folds need to be identical, right? Then once you have done this edge which is here needs to be brought here. So you need to remember this image, how it is working out. There's one triangle here, one white triangle here. This is the image that you have to remember. On the back side, what you are going to see is something like this. Now from here to here, you will give one crease. Done this here, thicken it up. This paper also you will fold it with this, right? Now almost you are completing this model. You can see this crease over here. This crease you need to open up, bring it up here and just push it back so that there is a new crease formed here, and this is the model that you will get. This is the first segment of the star. Similarly here again, as we have done, we have got diagonal folds here, vertical in both the directions. Then you will fold it here. As we said, turn it around and fold this here. Then this portion you have taken, you will take this corner and you will turn it out here. Afterwards, from here to here, you need to give a fold. and you will also fold this paper up. Now this module is also ready. This module, you just need to open this part out here. And press it back in position. Now, similarly, now these are 2 modules done. We will all prepare now the remaining 6 modules. Okay, now we are ready with our 8 modules, and we will start joining the assembly and joining them to make into Pico-Star. What we are going to do is, this longer portion which is here, we are going to push it inside here, and this inside portion, you will see that this line matches here. This we have closed it here and open it until here. Similarly, now we'll take another black one, we'll push it inside this pocket. This matches over here, see, and this we close over here, right, so that this white portion of the star comes out from here. Now we take the next one, again we push this into the pocket and this we align here. You remove this from the pocket inside and close it up here. Next, again we take the black one, we have pushed it inside this pocket. This we have aligned over here. The orange flap which is here, we close it and lock it here. Again we have taken the orange one here, pushed it inside here, matched it here, open the black flap and close the black flap. Take the next black one, push it inside here, open this up here, close it out here. 7th one, orange comes here. Just remember that this has to be aligned. Yeah. Then the black one closes here. Now we will take, I think this things got slightly loosened up, so I'll refix all of them, the remaining ones. This over here and this gets locked with this. Now we will do this last portion, 8th portion, which is here. This goes here, this flap goes and locks here, this red orange goes inside this black one, aligned, you can see getting aligned here. There you are. This is called the Pico-Star. Right now, see, you can see a colored spark over here, colored stars, and then there are whites in between. Turn it around. Look at this beautiful design in the center. Hope you liked it, and happy folding.